Sharon and welcome back to Beauty
and Beyond!
Yay! Yay! We're so happy! So guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another cheat day. Yeah, cheat day. Tatawagin namin to cheat day kasi we will not be doing mukbang. I think mukbang is different from cheat day kasi cheat day is where you eat, just eat whatever you want and yung mga junk foods. Ayan, junk food talaga to. So, kasi pag mukbang kasi sa may chika-chika included yun eh. But on this video, we are not going to make chika-chika because we don't want a chika-chika. We just wanted to eat. Okay, so definitely it's going to be a cheat day. So today, what we are going to be eating is from Potato Corner. Ayan, so we purchased all the flavors that they have there. So, ayun. So before we get into the eating portion, make sure that you give this video a
like,
thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, guys, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, and also make sure that you will hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos, especially pagkainan na video. So with that all being said, and let's get started. So yun nga, like I've said, that we are going to be eating Potato Corner. So when we went there ni ate doon sa SMC site ng Potato Corner na store, ayan, gusto ko sanang i-try din yung ano nila, yung ano yan, lasagna tsaka carbonara. Sabi niya, she's so nega na wag na lang daw, just do the the fries. So yung size na kinuha namin is yung jumbo lang kasi parang masyadong marami na pag yung mega, no? I think it will be tapos hindi namin mauubos yun lahat. So, our fries is a little soggy kasi ganina pa to. Tapos natagalan kami mag-set up ng aming, yung location. So, Baba is so excited to eat already. So, ate will be talking ano yung mga flavors na yung kinuha namin or ano-ano yung mga flavors ng fries sa Potato Corner. So ate, what are the flavors?
barbecue, sour cream, yeah, cheese, yeah, chili cheese, yeah, chili barbecue, yeah, ranch, wasabi.
Wow, wasabi. Are you excited with the wasabi? So, we are also drinking Pepsi. Kasi tapos hindi yung zero kinuha ni ate. You're such a... So, ano yung unahin nating kainin? Huh? Oh, first pala, let's eat the list na feel natin na hindi masarap. What's
Excuse
this?
me? Cheese.
Cheese? I think the wasabi. Kasi parang we will not like this one. Hindi na ba? Try na ba? Did you wash your hands? Oh my gosh, it tastes weird. Parang walang taste. Let's try another flavor. So, what will be the next one?
Ay, kani.
Ranch? Okay, let's try the ranch. By the way, guys, this is jumbo is 85 pesos, no? 85 pesos. Parang it doesn't taste anything.
Mix ano dun eh.
Yeah. Next is, ilalas na namin yung barbecue tsaka sour cream kasi yun naman lagi yung kinakain namin. Cheese kani, dili pa nato na try yung mga flavor na, ito, chili, chili barbecue. Oh my God.
Sour cream.
It's so spicy. Oh my God. Pero masarap. Pero yung chili barbecue is like kanang spicier version ng barbecue, no? I like this one, yung chili barbecue, no? Pero I don't think I could finish a big size on this one kasi masyado siyang, unlike with the barbecue, diba? The next would be
Chili cheese.
Chili cheese?
Or I don't know.
I think I heard the girl say chicken.
What?
Chicken bitaw. So next will be this.
Cheese.
Let's do the sour cream and
Spicy din.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But our all-time favorite is barbecue and sour cream.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Next.
I guess we'll try to finish wasabi. Kaya pinaka-least na ito my favorite.
Okay.
Kanya, we already know the taste of that one, so for sure maubos natin. So it's time to eat na, guys. Fast forward. I think this is our least favorite yung wasabi. Parang
My flavor.
no flavor tapos taste like isda. This is so weird.
Damn. Meow.
We are going to save this one for Rookie. You wanna eat atibugol?
Save some meat.
Grabe yung spiciness ng chili cheese. Nahina ni mo ba? Nasudyo dapit sa ko ilong.
Ako no.
Next, unsa man kanin cheese? Ranch?
Oh my god, my ilok is showing. Wow, orange, very orange.
Na-orange yung ngipon na.
Oh no.
Now watch me whip, kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay.
Nay, did I?
Wala pang 5 minutes. So we are going to give this to Rookie for him to try. So sour cream. Dinner. Last but not the least is BBQ.
Yeah.
Ano na rin ka ba?
We have not different food.
I feel like I'm a little full.
Okay, I'm gonna make.
Bruh.
I'm gonna poop 5. Ooh, yes. Ako na like fun.
So guys, I'm just letting the last portion, giving it to Ate Sashi, because I cannot take it anymore.
Nako.
Hurry up, bro. We're looking at it. To. Tanaw ni Ate. Are you done now?
Okay.
So we are just going to chill. Ay, di na ka ba?
Yep.
Yeah, we are. I think we are full already. So Sashi's gonna finish the rest of the barbecue. I cannot take it anymore.
Let's give this to Rookie.
Hurry up, let's cheer, Ate Ba. Finish. So there's the last piece of the barbecue. Let's just put it here sa kuan.
Chili.
Chili barbecue. So guys, we are finally done with our eating portion. Grabe. At first, we thought na Ate Mia, ikaw said ba? At first, I thought that I'm so hungry that I could eat all by myself. Pero, tatlo nga kami, parang ano na, hindi ko na siya maubos or I cannot eat anymore. What about you ba? Are you full?
Si Babo.
Ayan, kami lang ni Ate. Tas, we are also drinking soft drink, kaya it made us full also. And so we are giving this, yung 3 flavors, we are giving this to Rookie for him to try. Kasi he said he wanted to try. So, my God, I felt tired after eating all of those fries. Tired na ka, Ate? By the way, if I think I forgot to mention this is only we got the jumbo size, which is the 85 pesos. When I checked online yung sa Potato Corner na website, marami silang ibang flavors, but dito when we went sa seaside dito na Potato Corner, 7 lang yung flavors na available. So ayun. Yeah, which one is your favorite flavor of them all? Ikaw, Ate?
Sour cream.
Sashi, what about you? Huh? So I think okay lang naman yung chili cheese. It is so, for me, if I'm going to compare it with the chili barbecue, if you want a more spicier flavor, then better get the chili cheese kasi it is more spicier compared to the chili barbecue. But yung chili barbecue is a little up lang yung level na compared to barbecue kasi when we ate the chili barbecue and the chili cheese, grabe, hindi na maanghang yung barbecue. But usually naaanghangan na kami, na spicyhan na kami ng barbecue. So I think if I'm going to go back to Potato Corner, I wanted to try or to eat again the chili and cheese. No, ikaw, Te, what about you? Since it is spicy, masarap siya, no? Yes, that's our wrap, and we are so full, and thank you so much for watching. And ayan, so if you happen to go to the mall, better check Potato Corner if you haven't tried Potato Corner yet, kasi I don't know, but Potato Corner is a very popular fries here in the Philippines or here in Cebu para sa akin. So if you haven't checked Potato Corner, you better check them out. Yeah. So I guess that's it for our video today. We hope that you enjoyed watching this one, and always remember, be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So we will see you on our next video. Bye!